I hope so. I mean, just gorgeous, right? We've got lots of wonderful, good sunshine. Winds are breezy out there right now, to even gusty, you might say. And it is blowing around some of the pollen out there, but it is gorgeous. We've got some showers that are going to clear things out, drop the pollen counts, and bring in much colder air. Severe weather is starting to push east. And as we go into your Wednesday night, the severe risk really builds through Nashville, down through parts of Louisiana, and all the way up through parts of central Pennsylvania. And for the Piedmont Triad, we're out of that severe risk. It looks like most of our action develops overnight before you even wake up, pre-dawn, and we'll look at those thunderstorms just continuing to roll east. A lot of wind reports with the system, and that's our primary concern tomorrow. If we do see any severe weather across North Carolina, it would be some damaging wind gusts over 60 miles an hour. We could also get those really heavy, intense rains with a few embedded isolated thunderstorms. And you can see here right now just clipping parts of the eastern triad, so Montgomery County, southeastern Randolph County included in that marginal risk. A lot of this developing with a few of those thunderstorm cells from middle of the morning through late afternoon before things really begin to wind down. So that's a level 1 marginal risk for folks all the way toward the coast. And fortunately, we'll see mostly rain across the Piedmont Triad and mountains. Yesterday, you hit 82 degrees. Guess what? Today, you actually made it to 86 degrees, and that is a new record tying temperature that was set back in 1967. So at least 86. Now, we might see that official high come in just a little while, showing us that we could have gotten up a little bit warmer than that. So we'll be talking about your sunrise at a little after 7 tomorrow morning. We're looking at the shower chances building all the way through the early morning. For now, just gorgeous. You have another few hours to enjoy warm conditions, and the sunshine is going to be out with us until after 7. So gorgeous weather. Temperatures 85 degrees right now in Greensboro, winds at 87, or I should say strong winds at 87 degrees in High Point. Also winds bringing you up to 87 in uptown Lexington. Look at this, 89, almost near 90 degrees, folks, in the southeastern Piedmont. It's a pretty incredibly hot day, 88 degrees in Danville. But it's a dry day, right? We don't have a lot of high intensity thunderstorm activity. We don't have the high humidity. We don't have the moisture yet. Now, you will notice some moisture starting to creep up as we're talking about those very chilly conditions developing throughout the day tomorrow. Our temperatures actually start to nosedive throughout the afternoon. So we'll be watching for the severe weather threats, and really most areas stay simply drier. Flash flood risk also on Thursday starting to clear out for folks out to the west. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. You can see the 70s out there through late evening. We should still be in the 70s to upper 60s after midnight, and then those temperatures gradually start to drop. Because we have the clouds in place, it does allow for slower temperature drops. Scattered showers could build from about 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., especially mountains and western foothills. Better rain chances getting going after 5 a.m., spreading east into the Triad through 5 and 6 a.m. with a good chance of showers. Some thunderstorms may also accompany these storms. We notice that too around 9 a.m. We could get some more action going here where we're getting a little bit of energy aloft building along 85 and 77, 40. Those are the areas that we'll look for more thunderstorm possibilities. Also, heavier precipitation rates may come down with some of these showers tomorrow. We may even see some sleet trying to mix in. Whether or not we can get it on the ground is the next question. We are going to be warmer than those 30s most areas all the way through middle of the day. Temperatures later in the afternoon, though, will start to slide, and we notice some upper 30s possible certainly by 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't know that we'll get there right at noon, but it does look like we all cool down. We'll see mostly rain on the ground. Unlikely you'll have any wintry weather on the ground at all. But for the Piedmont Triad, your temperatures are in the 60s. Rain chances are out of there by late afternoon. You might even see some sunshine by later in the day. Temperatures are plummeting. We're talking 40s by late afternoon, 60s though on Friday, and a nice warmer weekend and a pretty nice but chilly St. Patrick's Day.